Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day. I'm really excited about making this video. So far, I've done food videos about the best steakhouses in Dallas and the best barbecue in Dallas, and those are great, but honestly, my favorite food is pizza. So this video is going to be great. Remember to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. This is brought to you by Valet Maids Dallas, your Dallas cleaning service. Use code SAVE30 for $30 off your first home cleaning at valetmaids.com. Like I said, pizza is my favorite food, so let's get started. Similarly, as with the best barbecue video, I'm basing my list off of a list compiled by Eater Dallas of the best pizza in the Dallas area. I took their list, only included places that have locations in the city of Dallas, and then ranked them based on their Google review score. If there was a tie, the pizzeria with more reviews got the higher spot on my list. Also, I added one more rule. To make the list, the pizzeria had to have at least 100 Google reviews. I thought it would help make things a bit more fair. Okay, here we go. Number 5 on my list is Mimi's Pizzeria, which is located at 6807 West Northwest Highway. One of their signature pizzas is the ricotta and spinach.
Hey, ricotta and spinach. Is that your favorite? What'd you bring?
That's more the ladies' choice. That's the more popular. That's the Mimi's signature pizza right there. It's ricotta, olive oil, fresh garlic, and spinaco. Mimi is the #1 New York style pizza in Dallas. If you Google it, Yelp it.
In addition to making a great New York style pizza in Dallas, Mimi's prides itself on helping the community.
Mimi's Pizzeria is famous around these parts for 2 reasons. Number 1, their delicious New York style pies. And reason number 2, this guy.
For some reason, I always gave. I've always had that feeling, you give, you'll get it back.
That's Mimi Ameti, restaurant owner, New York native, and Pied Piper of pizza and positivity.
Especially giving, because there's people out there that really need it, don't have it.
In this economy, every cent counts, but that has not stopped Mimi from doubling down on giving away time, money, and pizza pie. Free pizza for healthcare workers? They're on it. Donations to local schools and first responders, of course. But it's this heart-shaped delicacy that's really spreading the love. So normally, Mimi's only sells these adorable heart-shaped pizzas during Valentine's Day, but they realized if there was ever a time the world needed more heart, it's right now.
Because I have a lot of police officers that are friends at my restaurant, and they come in, I was like, how's it out there? He goes, the biggest problem we have is domestic violence. So I wanted to partner up with somebody with domestic violence because people are just stuck in their homes now, so the domestic violence must have got worse.
So every time they sell one of these, they donate 10% of the sale to the Family Place, a domestic violence shelter in DFW.
Reviewers love being able to get authentic New York-style pizza in Dallas. Some people even drive from all over the metroplex just to get it. Okay, next up at number 4 on our list is Fireside Pies. First opening in 2004 on Henderson Avenue, Fireside Pies now has a handful of locations, including Inwood, Lake Highlands, and Plano. Here's what YouTuber Jaden Bradley had to say about Fireside Pies.
My first bite. Oh God. A little bit of basil. Good fluffy crust. Wonderful bottom that's not completely burnt, my bird. Delicious pepperoni. Sauce and all. What am I doing? All this for $12? Yeah, it was just pretty remarkable. The salad was absolutely delicious. They have their own red peppered ranch, which I was like, what? Red peppered ranch? It was giving me a whole Thousand Islands vibes. All right, and they're also a pizza that does not necessarily need anything extra. Some people really like to sit there and do like, oh, well, let me put some extra, Parmesan, or these red peppers, or let me get some ranch on the side so it can have something to dip in it. That's a pizza that does not absolutely need it at all. And I just want to let y'all know, it was absolutely delicious and I was for it. I give it a thumb up.
Other reviewers not only rave about the pizza, but the service as well, and say it's absolutely worth the cheat meal if you're on a diet.
Love Fireside Pies.
I had my last cheat meal on Fat Tuesday with you guys.
I had so
pizza and wine. She's given up carbs.
Next on our list is Bishop Arts District favorite ENO'S Pizza. They also have locations in Forney and Coppell if you desire to venture way out there. Here is what YouTuber James Eats Good Food had to say about ENO'S favorites.
But I've heard really great things. I can't wait to try it out. It's good. Super tender, great amount of sauce. Perfect. Pizza, that's why we came to ENO'S. We're gonna try it out here today. Looks so good. Wow, that's amazing. The Pig Smiley pizza here is amazing. The sauce is perfect, not too much sauce, right amount of sauce here. Pepperoni is amazing, the sausage. The base is actually, looks like marinara, but also some honey. And the honey is just unbelievable. Unbelievable. Pasta, the sauce, chicken, unbelievable.
I'll link his channel below. One reviewer said that ENO'S serves the best pizza he's ever had in his life. Another reviewer said that they rarely give out 5-star reviews, but that ENO'S definitely earned it. Next up, at number 2 on our list, is Cane Rosso, located in Deep Ellum. This pizzeria has the distinct honor of being on Food Network's Diners, Dives, and Drive-Ins.
I'm here in Dallas, Texas, in a very well-known Triple D area known as Deep Ellum. Serving up that pizza napolitana. This is Cane Rosso.
Delia's up. Here you go, gentlemen. Some Delia for you.
We got the Delia with arugula, grape tomatoes, and bacon marmalade. It's like bacon jelly. It's just delicious.
All right, so for the bacon marmalade, we're going to start with a little olive oil in the pan. Locally made bacon. Can't let that go to waste. Let it render down. Add some minced shallots, garlic, Calabrian chilies. They're not as spicy as jalapenos, not as in your face.
Vinegar to them.
Yeah. Cherry vinegar. Chili paste. Finish it off with some sugar. And we're just going to let this
sit there and cook down.
Sit there and cook down until it gets to like a jelly or marmalade-like consistency. All right, so we're gonna make our dough. We start off with water, Sicilian sea salt. We add our first batch of Caputo flour.
Caputo flour, 00 high gluten flour. Old Man River here, look at that.
I know, nice and slow and steady. We'll give this a mix, then we're gonna add our next batch of flour and then the yeast. We mix it totally for 25 minutes. Then we'll ball it up, let it proof at room temperature 8 to 12 hours. Proofed, it's ready to go. Just give it a little stretch.
Wow, that is just thin and fast, man.
We're gonna assemble our Delia pizza, fresh mozzarella. We're gonna add our bacon marmalade, roasted grape tomatoes, we add a little squirt of olive oil, then we add a little bit of basil. Now it is ready for the oven.
Going into an oven at what temp?
About 900 degrees.
900 degree oven. This is where it's gonna get cool. Ha ha!
Like that?
Gangster. Now what kind of wood are we burning?
Texas oak.
So this is 60 to 70 seconds.
Ready to go?
Look at that.
We add our little arugula and a bit of olive oil. It's ready to go to a table.
To break it down for you, the sweet, smoky, salty, and not too salty, bacon marmalade that goes in. The arugula for a little pepper, a little bit of char from the crust. Gives it that rustic appeal.
Other reviewers not only love the food, but the beer selection as well. There usually is a wait during peak times, but it's totally worth it. Coming in with the number 1 spot on our list is Pie Tap Pizza Workshop. They have a few locations, including Design District, Henderson, Park and Preston, and Addison. One thing that sets apart this pizza place from the rest is the dough.
Hi, I'm Jonathan. I'm the general manager of Pie Tap in the Design District. The thing that sets us apart from any other pizza restaurant is our dough. It has only 4 ingredients, and it's amazing. Also, we have house-made pastas, which include the gnocchi. It's going to be our dough with ricotta cheese. Amazing. We also have chicken meatballs. They include our dough as well, just like everything else. We have a full-service bar that includes craft cocktails like the Bourbon Blackberry Smash. We We also have 21 beers on tap, 14 wines on tap. Pretty much something for everybody.
Reviewers really love the high quality ingredients and the many unique options of pizza. There were also rave reviews about the service as well as the ambiance of the restaurants. Well, that was our list of the best pizza in Dallas. Did your favorite make the list? Just let me know in the comments if you agree with the list or if there's a place that you think should have been on the list that wasn't. Also, check out my other videos on the best steakhouses in Dallas and best barbecue, and I'll see you next time. Remember to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. This is brought to you by Valet Maids Dallas, your Dallas cleaning service. Use code SAVE30 for $30 off your first home cleaning at valetmaids.com.